checking passes.
Date on it, all right, brother?
All right. Sorry about that.
No, you're fine, sir. Well, thank you very much. Have a great day, guys.
You too.
Oh, you have to go through security?
They check to make sure.
You know, in all the years of me coming up here, I have never seen them this far up the trail looking at passes before.
Oh my God, that's so long.
No, this is just.
Hey guys, this is Tony. Sorry, but I forgot to get a pass, so seems I'm going to go back to the store, get a pass, and hopefully hook up with y'all later, okay? 10-4.
He forgot to get a pass?
I apologize for that, gentlemen. No, you're good. Just let us, shoot me a text when you got your pass. I'll tell you if we're still on this trail, or link up with us at the end of it, and maybe we'll hit another one. Okay, thank you, kind sir.
They're so nice to each other.
Yeah, why not be?
He's such a, I love how he's like, thank you, kind sir, blah, blah. I've never met someone who's like that.
I mean, there's no point in being a dickhead.
Well, usually people are just like, okay, thank you, or blah, blah, like, no, gentleman, or sir, or all.
Well, all of these people are former military people.
Yeah, I'm really impressed on how much
a lot of
flex
military
this
people.
Gladiator has for being only at 3.5.
Oh, oh. I thought he was done.
No.
This is really hard to try to take a pill while not trying to spill water on myself. Okay, we're doing that.
So what you do is you just
We had all this time and we now do it.
all you just do is put the pill in your mouth and then you put water down. Push it down.
Zane,
You do water first.
don't drop your bag.
He right did.
Yeah, I know. Like, that is, I don't know why you have been doing this forever, but every time you get chips or something, you drop the whole entire bag all over the freaking floor. Wow. You hear that?
Oh, he said a long time ago?
Yeah, he used to climb that
Yeah.
on 33s. You know what 33s are?
Appreciate you taking us to Keegan.
Ow! What did I do? Have you
Hold on, I had to unzip my window.
popped your neck 2 times?
Yes. Multiple times. I've popped my
It's actually really sticky rocks, though. I was kind of surprised. Yeah, they're a little bit cold right now. That's probably why.
My toes are freezing.
Why did you not?
What kind of drop is that? It ain't bad.
Why aren't you talking?
Because I'm listening.
Y'all see those potholes down there on the right? I have seen those things absolutely swallow Jeeps on 40s and 42s, even though they're only like a 5-foot long hole. Hey Joe, I bottomed out on that one. On what? When you went up
Whoa!
water?
I did not expect that.
Water, it bottomed it out.
Almost fell. Oh,
They must have just gave him a pass right there to where they were at.
I didn't know it was
I
off.
don't know, they're pretty rough on that stuff.
Oh, God.
I don't know, he got down and caught back up with us pretty quick somehow or another. Yeah, I know, right?
Oh!
Oh! I was not expecting that.
Because I already stuck my neck.
Hey Keegan, what was that one JLU that snapped its axles? Where was it at? So the hardest part of today is going to be that particular climb. A lot of these people, in the off-road world we call them badge bunnies, but that was more of the Laverne comp. But anyways, a lot of of people that want the badge of honor, they will run 16 downhill, and technically we're running it uphill. So when she got to that hard spot, she was coming down it, big novice, just bought the Jeep spacer lift on 37s, and she hit the gas instead of the brakes and pretty much jumped down the entire hill, hit a stump and broke her front axle in half. Oh, okay.
Oh shit, that was a bad line.
That's where mine don't like to turn, shit like that.
All right, time to use these. The stuff that my Jeep came with that I never used.
No, you've used these before.
Hey, you shut your face!
Yeah, you probably should have been using that earlier so you know when the drops are.
Holy shit.
There's a drop.
That was stupid.
Ow. Oh my god.
Bonnie Deep's blowing back here, and I hadn't heard him on the radio. I'm gonna check on him real quick.
That's just up close to the wall because I just had this like 1 inch away from the wall.
Alright, 10-4, keep us updated.
Our tires keep Well, now that we know that you're a good driver, now that you know these trails, you gotta be a real good driver to be able to be doing the trails. So.
Oh my god, the wall's still closed.
Is this the up close one?
No.
So this is not
No, Lynn.
driving it yet.
I thought it was. Oh my god.
No.
This is yours.
What's that noise?
I don't know.
I think it's my fender.
What's your fender?
If anything, it'll just rip out.
This radio, one says there's when we get him know.
Your
10-4.
tires are so uneven. 19,
crap.
18, 19, 20.
Here comes a big drop.
Okay.
Oh my god.
No, this is really a close wall. It's super tight.
Yeah. What if
Oh, I love this song.
We're rolling. Alright, we'll come to the big climb. So this is one of the climbs, and this bypass on the right was not here last time I was here. So I'm gonna assume they all go the same direction. If y'all want, I'll climb the one on the left. If y'all want to try the one on the left, that's cool. We can spot you. Everybody's in a Rubicon. I think it'll be just fine. If not, we can go to the right and meet together at the top.
How about we go on the right?
I want to try it.
How about no?
London, the point of
Yeah,
this
10-4.
is
I'm just gonna watch you.
to try.
I'll go with you.
Yeah, but what happens if we can't make it?
Then we come back down, or we get pulled up.
I'm sure we can make it. I'm very sure we can.
Which one? The one that just goes straight up, or the one with rocks?
What's the one where everybody else is going?
This stinks. Holy crap.
It's actually pretty grippy.
So we're going up that.
Yep. But we're going in 4 low for doing this, and we're locking.
Leah, I take it you locked in, right? Yeah, I just now locked it in. think I'd definitely take that tent off. You could just see the weight hurting up there.
It's cold. Air. Look.
Hey, y'all, I'm going to go up to the top right here a little bit out of the way. And then, cause it's a little greasy through here, so then we can catch some people coming up. Yeah, Tori's got them. I was gonna say, you ain't gonna have much time, they're coming on. I'm gonna stop right here, we get everybody lined back up again.
Whoa!
Yeah, I'm gonna go back down there and spot right quick.
Hopefully that was just the bottom.
So you might have a few dents. Oh.
What if there's a bear like right there, and you accidentally slapped it? Oh my god. London, do you think we're gonna be okay?
Alright, so y'all guys that are coming behind me, when you come down that first one, you can go the way I did, but when you come down to the second one, you want to try to keep your driver steered into the wall, just to kind of hold you up a little bit.
Yep.
What?
Wish I would have known that.
This is the uppermost part.
No, it's not.
Oh, is it?
No.
And then once you completely drop down, you know, you're fine, but watch your roof and your driver's side right through here.
Oh, wow. Holy crap.
It's a hard bottom though. At the drop.
Holy shit.
Oh.
You're gonna drop right, 2 seconds.
This is the wall.
You're gonna slide in right now.
Should I put my mirror in?
Yeah. You're gonna feel that, you're gonna slide. Just go ahead and start
So
turning
this is
just
the
a little bit to the passenger. Just slowly.
This was not
You're gonna feel a long drop right now, because you're higher up than I was.
Holy shit.
There you go. That's a big drop. That's what she said.
Oh, dang, that's huge. The drop that we're
There's
about
the
to
drop.
do. It stinks so
Come off
bad.
of it. Get to your pasture a little bit.
Yeah, we're talking about that. There you go. Here's your drop.
It's so close.
So back when we first got on 16, all these water holes was clear and now they're muddy, which means either somebody spent the night back there somewhere or somebody run it the opposite direction and turned around.
Y'all good?
Yep.
All right.
That one really pushed off.
That was the biggest shot that I ever
One of the groups where there was a bunch of boilers stuck on them last night.
That was fun. We definitely need a bigger lift.
Yeah, they did a night recovery last night. Somebody broken axle and something else.
Did you ever lift your car though?
Yeah, but it needs a bigger lift for the type of stuff that I like to do.
Which means that I'm going to be able to barely even get in the car.
Well, the thing is, London, that you are getting older, and when you get older, you will get taller.
You should get steps.
I have steps.
But they're not really helping.
Well, the thing is that the type of steps I have, they will continue to do what they do as you get older. So, don't worry about that. This is fun. I'm glad I decided to do this. We haven't been off-roading in a while.
You didn't say that was a tight turn.
And we also haven't been off-roading
Like this.
with just
Oh my god, I can't get out. Oh my.
There's another big hole with a rock face on it right here.
This is like a roller coaster.
Everybody seen Tony?
A dangerous one.
Not very good.
Other than bottoming out all the time, I'm good. Alright, that's what we want to make sure you're good.
oh shit, look at that.
Yeah, this is nothing compared to what
Look.
we did. I know.
JL, go ahead and put your mirrors in. I just cracked mine.
Oh.
You cracked his mirror?
Yep, that's all I needed to hear.
Which means this is the really, really close point. Where you're like really close to the wall. Oh. Oh.
Yeah, so we're gonna try a different approach.
So we don't almost tip over?
I rubbed on that one good. Same here. I gotta buy a new mirror now.
I am so.
Undercarriage.
Oh my god,
And it's just getting fun.
Yeah, this is definitely not as close up as
my heart dropped.
That was so funny. Or you look like that, you're like, your different approach.
There's that.
Got too wrong.
Huh?
Your different approach.
Yeah, no. I probably should have went his way and then I wouldn't have scratched so much.
Yeah, because
There
literally.
went my mirror.
Well, that scared me a lot.
That was like a tip over.
That was a big tip over.
That was fun though.
It was a fun for me to scream.
On this side.
I kind of wish I was on your side. You should know how it feels to be on.
Are you low? Are you low?
One for low.
What?
Lock it in.
Oh, I've been a little four low lock.
Really?
I ain't even tearing up stuff. Don't ever wheel high.
Back up. Go turn a hard passenger back up.
Slow.
What's he on back there? That rock?
He's about to hit his hitch on this rock. All right. Yeah.
Bumper on that rock.
Our passenger, back up.
He almost hit his bumper on the rock.
Yeah. There you go.
Passenger.
All right.
Passenger, keep going.
Okay.
Keep going. Driver, forward. Easy. Strong. Keep going. Driver.
You got it.
Keep going. Keep going. Passenger.
Hold on. I think he's.
Hold on. You need to.
Which way do we go?
Down the hill. You'll see me down at the bottom of it. We got enough room for like 3 people down here.
We lost power steering.
That some bitch haunted. The only thing I'm worried about is right here, timing it with being a long wheelbase. Stay up at the very top. It's probably the only time you find Charlie drove away. I think it's time to invest in an aluminum belly cover.
I'm thinking the same thing.
Like I said, Ken went up his radiator. He's only got a 2.5-inch lip. He's going 30 seconds. He broke a little bit at the top. He was kind of pulling across. But he said it's a little lower.
Looks like everybody else drive around it.
Probably bumped it. Yeah, I probably bumped it.
That's a big tree.
Yeah, I'm not sure you can move.
There's no one there to move.
Yeah, I know.
All right. We might have to rehook it.
One, two. Back up and give it a little momentum through there a little bit.
That was so funny.
Back up a little bit. Give yourself a little more momentum. You should bounce right over the top of that. 4 feet going back. About 5 more feet. Right there. Now see if you can just get on a little bit.
I'll be real honest with you. You might be better off going in high range because it's so slick and get a little wheel speed. Whenever you want to try this left line, see how you do.
I'm about willing to try it.
Yeah, last week nobody was having that kind of trouble up there. Everybody was just driving around up it. It's greasy. Why don't you try this left line over here and see if it does you any better, one of you. I think you just got this top. People do, they get stuck. Yeah, that didn't work.
No matter what else.
Be better off coming back here where I'm at and coming to the left and going over the top of that rock instead of trying to squeeze around it. You see right there, and we can back up and give you some room to get in there.
Let's try to climb over it.
Thing's slick.
It's just greasy. Yeah, I think you're going to have thinner on that if you do get over it.
Yeah, it's feeling like it.
Too much mud, then if it's a drier day, you just walk right over it.
I feel like if I can get far enough to the left, but you guys won't have to back out.
You're back that white ladder area up a little bit.
I feel like this is the hardest part of this one. Just getting over that rock. After that, you're probably fine.
Crazy. I mean, it literally looks like you were able to just drive over it.
Yeah, it's definitely not that easy. What was that?
I believe if you do get a little farther over that rock in the middle of it like that, I think you're going to turtle out and have all 4 wheels off the ground.
Yeah, I was hoping I could get up and slide over onto the left, but it don't look like that's gonna happen. I wish I could see what the hell I'm fucking hitting. Oh, it's a damn rock.